coach lang at mga player. Marami tayong bakante kukuha.
Hi, Francis.
Jersey number 18 from Caloocan City, Fabio Catari.
May ganun pa. Hi, Francis.
From Maribeles, Bataan. Bumating na po ang barko. Number 6 from Maribeles, Bataan, Daryl Miranda. Wearing jersey number 11 from Cabanatuan City.
Wow.
Tijo
Ah,
Jairo.
nagkakabantuan ka pala. Kababayan.
Wearing jersey number 6 from Tondo, Manila. Benedict Tirado. Wearing jersey number 9 from Quezon City. Siren Reyes. Wearing jersey number 23 from Camarines Norte. Leandre Lagunete. Nasa Pilipinas.
Nasa Pinas. Si ano?
And from Ipapatangas, number 20, Kyle Peña. And it's made our center's team. Wearing jersey number 30 from Bugazong Antique.
Wow. Let's go, JC.
From Bandagan, Manila, Lucian Garcia.
Nice. Let's go, Sian. Baby boy.
Number 14, Dwayne Valencia. From Philippines, Bulacan, wearing jersey number 10, Ralston Pangalanan. Number 15, from Caloocan City, Manila, Zachary Tuario.
Woo!
From City of San Fernando, Pampanga, number 7, Kurt Baromo. From Pampanga, San
Let's go, Kurt.
Faisal Ayunin, number 3. And number 20 from Zamboanga City, Rory.
Wow.
Okay, traditional championship. Shake hands. Good luck,
Go,
boxing.
good luck.
Okay, andyan si Technical Director.
Technical.
Eh, Mato, sabi mo na kayo. Diyan mo na kayo. Meron po tayo mga food sponsor tonight, Engineer Ariel Holyo at Florian Reyes, at ating shootout prizes, Mr. and Mrs. Kasumbal. Maaga pa po ang gabi. Pwede pang umabol sa sponsor, punta lang sa lamesa. Meron tayo tubig dito sa lamesa, picture nyo lang per bottle, ha?
Good evening, Chairman. Shout out Howard Pangan
Okay, good
from
luck.
Riyadh.
First one to the center court. Okay, both teams first time to the center court.
Ano yun?
Kyle Peña, Zayron Campeón, Simon Reyes,
Win!
Karen Miranda, and Benedict Tirado. Seniors, Lucian Garcia, Karsten Pagdakanan, Faisal Arifin, Zachary Guario, and Wayne Valencia. Captain ball number 23, Centers, number 9, Tirado. Game 5. Ball taken by Dario Cesar, Samuel Reyes. Grab to Derek Miranda, left hander, 2 points. Derek Miranda, finishing down to game number 20. Faisal Arifin. Through there. Score by Samuel Reyes. Temple. Centers basketball. Ortiz against the shift. Wine Valencia. Pagdakanan. First 3 points of game number 3. Opening the basket. Pagdakanan. Very proud by Faisal Arifin. Kyle Peña takes it as the shoot. Kyle Peña the shoot. Using the ball, stop rebound for Lucian Garcia. Intercepted by Simon Reyes. Side set, losing control, regain, no basket. Arifin, front of the play. Look out. No basket. 5-2, 3-point lead, Centers. Bonus roll coming for Zachary Guario.
Nice!
Paper play, Zach Guario. Increasing the lead to 5. And the shot is
Good! Ay!
rebound by
Sayang, sayang.
Benedict Tirado. In and out. 0-1 to go. Zachary Guario. Benedict Tirado, center player, slides in. Centers basketball. Faisal Arifin. Karsten Pagdakanan, back to Arifin, 3-point line, short. Ball back by out, Karsten Pagdakanan. To Santario. Side step, looking control. Increasing to 6 and 2. Benedict Tirado.
Galing.
Centers basketball. Operation now tayo after the first quarter, sponsored by Mr. and Mrs. Kasuban.
So, lamang ang dark center. 7 minutes ng first
Wala ka lang muna mag-reset. Hindi na wala sa depensa. Seven minutes, 19 seconds, first quarter. 9 points Zippers, 11-2. Dragons basketball, back to the goal game.
Light ball.
He drove, inbound to Miranda. Reyes, pull up two, is strong. Heather sa the backhand pinna. So Benedict Tirado. Benedict Tirado. Warriors, the fight on the move.
Ay! Shout out, Rohan.
Tirado, controlling the ball, Tirado, there's a pushing foul. Number 10, Carlos Pagdacana. First team foul Pagdacana, first team foul Zippor. Tirado is bounding. Gonzalez. There's a foul. Number 6, Jari Miranda. Jari Miranda is 06, Tirado is 6. Looks like Garcia, 3-point. First quarter. Simon Reyes, what the physical, holding foul. Number 8, Lucia Garcia. First personal foul, Lucia Garcia. Second team foul, Zippor. Reyes, got it, 3-point line. Both up, Zippor basketball. Sa Aquario to Marshall Manilin.
Ay! Oh!
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan, okay lang. Bawi, bawi.
Benedict Tirado, Gonzalo Miranda, back to Benedict. Hey, back to Miranda. It's to Miranda, Zippers basketball. 5 minutes, 15 seconds, first quarter.
Shout out, Armel.
Marshall Manilin, 3-point line. Short, rebound by Benedict Tirado. Gonzalo Reyes. Simon Reyes, 1-3. 3 points off. Lucian Garcia, first row.
Isa lang, isa lang.
First row, no basket. Second substitution. Foul number 20, Colt Paromo. First personal foul, Colt Paromo. 13 foul, single. Free throw coming for Reyes, first throw. Second throw, 1 point for Reyes. Huh? Shooting 8, 3.2. Court Paromo, 3-point line, air ball. Dragons basketball. Sabi Reyes. 0-1 to go. Baseline drop. Score.
Right!
What about play? Stop Warrior. Nice layup by Stop Warrior. Brings the lead back to 12. 28. Tornado. Sabi Reyes. Pull up baseline. Strong. Pull up by Faisal Al-Medini.
Shoot, JC.
Drop the ball. There's a round to follow up.
Nice
by
try, nice try.
Number
Oh,
06,
Jared.
Miranda.
Ay, isa lang pa, isa.
Third personal foul, Jared Miranda. Ayun. 1 point. Solid hit. Strikes in. Foul number 3, Faisal Al-Medini. 21, first personal foul, Faisal Al-Medini. Both teams warning for penalty. 11.3 seconds. Bonus throw coming for Simon Reyes. Recap play Simon Reyes, cutting the lead to 10, 21, 11. This is do or die championship game. Faisal Al-Medini.
Oh!
Using the ball, strong rebound by Samuel Carter. Substitution. Jared Miranda. Kyle Pekani. Matthew Katarini controlling the ball. Pemilih Miranda. Kyle Pekani. Kyle Pekani. Baseline drop shot. Rebound by Samuel. To Faisal Al-Medini. Faisal Al-Medini. Pull up. Stop. Second one. Rebound by Benedict Tirado. Interception. Dragons basketball. Benedict Tirado rebounded. Gonzalo Antigo. Vamos. Tirado. Number 6, Benedict Tirado. First personal foul, Benedict Tirado.
Score 23-11. Lamang ang Dark Centaur.
Shoot! Ay, isa pa.
Then second shot. Speed. Shot. Dragons basketball. 1 minute, 24 seconds. First quarter. Kyle Pekka. Number 3, Faisal Alamin. Second, personal foul, Faisal Alamin. Substitution. Garcia. Full free throws, Tirado, first throw. No basket. Second throw. The strong rebound by Blue. Lucian Garcia to Sanguario. 1 minute 30 seconds, first quarter, 10 seconds to shoot. Lucian Garcia, careful, rebound by Kevin Tirado. Using the ball, Capitaine to 10, between 13. Shoot! Shoot! Sanguario, put back. Shot! Rabin! Shoot! Ball by Carcaro. Sanguario, Number 20. Paroco. 2 free throws, penalty. 2 free throws for Marifenga. Paroco, second personal foul. First throw, Morrison. Kyle Pena. Capitaine to 12, 26-14. Second throw, Marifenga. 2 for Marifenga. Sanguario. 10 seconds. And the first quarter, 11 points.
26-15 lamang ang Central start. End of first quarter.
Isa lang muna. Okay, go. Isa lang. Okay, sit down. Ay! Ang nagatulang.
No!
Tunahin nyo, kung sino nauna, tunahin nyo.
Jacob! Mukha! Lapit ka. Paano manalo rin si Jacob ka?
Congratulations, Jacob Partanaran. Back to the morning. Ating pong masita prizes at cortesia Mr. at Mrs. Kasumbal. Maraming salamat. At mamaya, may kompetensya magkakaluhan na sponsored by Engineer Ariel Julio and Dorian Reyes. Papapagin na si Ryan, yung mga gusto na mawabog ng sponsor, lumapit lang sa lamesa habang maaga pa. Kyle Pena. Kyle Pena, side step, finish line. Nice line. Nice separation. Johnny Short. Are you in? Side step. Last dance. 40 seconds to shoot.
Ayan.
Center's basketball. 5 seconds.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Dragons basketball.
Ayan. Gawi.
11 points by Centers, 26-15.
Wala yan po sa
Retirado. Tumasok at ang retirado. Kaya ka, pangalawa. Shoot the ball. Traffic pass, hindi pa ng pass. Tapos sa line, 26-17. Lucia. Pass din sa tanganan, 3 points. Strong rebound by Taylor. Bumabagang na mga Batanggenyo. Ayan na, 26-19, capital to 7.
26-19. Si Kenneth na pala yung coach nila. Ayun si Kenneth. Oh. Pero parang si Kenneth. Ah, oo nga. Hindi. Doon yan sa ano. Kila...
Tatuloy tayo.
Parang kila Prince yata.
Back to the game. Ramos. Okay. 7-point lead Centers. 8 minutes, 43 seconds.
26-19. Lamang ang Centers. Second quarter.
Ramos basketball. Involving Patrick Macarini. Osama Reyes. Simon Reyes drives in. He's gone. Good luck by General Sectigo. Holding it by Sapuano. Sapuano's skill. This line. Got the play.
Green.
Number 14, Roland Valencia. First with the foul, Roland Valencia, first with foul singles. 7 minutes, 45 seconds, second quarter, 7-point Centers. To Philippe Tirado. Nice play. Back to Batangas, 2 points. By Steve Candagana, 3-point line, is strong. Without by Sapuano, home Central. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. By Sapuano. 10. 5 seconds.
Mira!
Sapuano, 3 points. For Carl Peña, ating daling ito moment 26-32, 6 minutes, 38 seconds remaining. Second bubble. Well, number 3, John Lights up in the play. Carl Peña, bonus goal. Solid. Rebound by Craig. Valencia. Sang Reguario to Faisal Al-Medin. So, Paris na kanan. Wario. Floater by Faisal Al-Medin. Joseph Garcia. Faisal Ali, baseline. There is a second foul. Number 11, Jerian Quinto.
Score, 26-23. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol ng Dragon. 6 minutes ng second quarter.
First goal. Dorsey increasing the lead by the 4, 27-23. Second throw for Faisal Ayudin. Strong, ball taken by Number 6, Benedict Tirado, second personal foul, Benedict Tirado, second team foul, Dragons.
Score, 31-23. Lamang ang Dark Centaurs. 5 minutes ng second quarter. Shoutout kay Carl.
Special thanks po sa ating mga sponsors, Michael Malinari, Robert Ligo, Iman Garcia, Jeff Miranda, Norm Reyes, Chris Pena, Benjamin Tirado, Mr. and Mrs. Malupay, George Yukon, Mr. and Mrs. Laksamana, Engineer Ariel Hulyu, and Mr. and Mrs. Kasupan, and Florian
Hinga, hinga! Hinga!
Walang alis, 100 people.
100 people.
Bonus goal para Yusef Garcia.
Ay, sorry.
Shot!
Andun pala. Yun lang. Hawakan niya,
Dragons
no?
losing control, third ball.
Sorry.
5 minutes, 45 seconds, second quarter. Somebody Pueblo, pasa la minute, right in front of San Pueblo. Speed. Three
3 seconds.
seconds for collision. Dragons basketball. Matthew Caballo, Marco Benedict Tirado. 5 minutes, 26 seconds, second quarter. Simon Reyes. Conteno Antigua, good of shot. Short, dating na yung 2-5, 31-26. 5 minutes.
Ay, offensive.
Mandatory substitution, mandatory substitution. Mandatory substitution. Faisal underneath third personal foul. Nakawala po ang quality specialist Mario Natarwe. Suwag-pasok, parang nilagay lang sa ring.
Parang.
Marcel Garcia, grab the throw. Leon, baseline. Double team. Ball taken by Santorio. Looks like 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up 2.
Lukas!
Offline. Santorio.
Ah! Ay lang, depensa, depensa. Defense!
Romina Jude to Lucian Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. Isaiah put the ball play. Drop ball. Put out by Lucian Garcia, save ball. Torres, 45 seconds.
Defense! Defense!
Crossover play ball.
Short!
Dragons basketball.
Short!
20 seconds, second quarter. Tuloy-tuloy tayo, running time lang.
Sa loob.
Yung mga tao nakatayo sa lanasan, pwede na mamumo. Sanchez, driving season, using the ball. First personal foul, second quarter. Bonus score coming for Simon Reyes. Triple play, Simon Reyes.
Deadlock, 31 all. 31 all. Push! Nice!
Center's basketball. 119 seconds. 2.3 seconds. Second quarter. Faisal Ali. Looking for teammates. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramid. Draw, Yoga, spin, short. Ball tap by Yanet. Red. Second quarter, Faisal Ali, crossover, almost closing control, recover. Floater, there's a recent foul. Number 20, Kai Peña. 36 seconds, second quarter.
33 all.
Personal foul, Kai Peña, 13 foul trouble. Court. Usap. 10 seconds to shoot. Sakuayo, triple line, strong, rebound by Peña.
Defense! Defense! Ay!
Shoot!
Malakas, malakas! Ano?
Shoot out, shoot out. Shoot out, shoot out. It's sponsored by Mr. Artis Kasundan. Okay, tingnan na. Yung tapos na sa huli, yung tapos na sa huli. Yung tapos na sa huli. Ito, pumili. Sa huli ka, tapos ka na. Yan, pumili ka sa huli. Baka ito yung iba na to.
Tapos na si Jacob.
Okay, alisan pa ito pa rin.
Sorry.
Shot, ulang. Shot, look out sa Dubai.
Jacob.
Ay, Jose, tama ka natin, Jose.
Ay, sayang. 30 minutes. Ay, sayang. 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 Shoot! Ay, sayang. Summer na tayo. Tayo ngayon, mainit. Mainit na po, summer. Summer time. Third quarter na po tayo. Score 35-33. Lamang na ang Dragon. 30 minutes daw po ang break time ng committee. Louie, nasaan ka, Louie? Nasaan na yung menudo ko, Louie? Grabe yung ano dito eh, no? Bangga dito. Gaganong ka talaga. Parang ay nawala. Nawala. Baka nandyan sa gilid. Diba? O, kakanta na muna ako. Diba? Welcome to the championship game. Do or die. Kung sinong mananalo, champion. Kung sinong matatalo, first. Tama ba? Hindi, dalawa. Dalawa pa lang yata. Hindi, meron yata ang Cubs. Cubs na yata yan. Open pa po ang sponsorship. STC Pay na lang. STC Pay kay Rocky. Ang init! Back to the ball game. Ayan, hinahanap ko.
Eman, meron ka.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. 35-32. 2-point Dragons. Dragons
Ayun na,
basketball.
Dragon.
Game time, okay? Third quarter.
Third quarter.
Sisters basketball. Sisters basketball. Special thanks to our sponsors, Michael Mariari, Robert Ligo, Ivan Garcia, Jim Pirata, John Reyes,
Korean heart?
Benji Mirado, Mr. and Mrs.
Korean heart ka pa, Pai.
John Siono, Mr. and Mrs. Laksamana, Engineer Ariel Hoyo,
Wow.
President Lopez, and Mr. and Mrs.
Eh, wow. 95 all.
First 2 points of the third quarter are released. Third take off at the game, 35. Benedict Cado, backing at the ring. Intercepted by Sacuario. Sacuario from the woodwork is dropped to Hoyon. Wait, is going by Nancy. Benedict Cado. Two boys, Tirado. Great shot by Benedict Tirado. Faisal Abidin brother.
Nice.
Faisal Abidin scored 6 seconds again. 8 minutes, 50 seconds, third quarter.
37 all.
Benedict Tirado controlling the ball, looking for teammates. Narin Miranda. 10 seconds to shoot. Matthew Katani. 5 seconds to shoot. Siren Reyes 3-point line. Score by Rapay Sacuero. So Faisal Abidin.
Patalikod. Ay, sayang pa yun na. Patalikod pa naman.
Narin Miranda. Benedict Tirado to Siren Reyes. Siren Reyes plays. Score. Corner by Sacuero. One more play. Benedict Tirado.
Ay!
Losing control and going by Sacuero.
Nice!
39-36. Seconds by Louis. Benedict Tirado to Siren Reyes. Losing control. Seconds.
Mama sa pa!
Lumakas sa pa.
11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Gary Miranda.
Ay! Nice!
Increasing the lead back to 41-37. 7 minutes, 20 seconds, third quarter. Benedict Tirado, Kyle Vega, Guys using the ball.
Ay, kaliwa!
Kanina pa ito, nababayakpak itong Batangueño na to.
Kaliwa.
Mukhang 10 points na yata ito si Kyle Vega. Faisal Abidin. Losing the ball.
Ay, wala ka! Lumabas! Defense, defense!
Kyle Vega again.
Defense, defense!
Back to Matthew Catarene. Siren Reyes, pull up 2 points Siren Reyes. 15 left on the game, 41 at 6 minutes, 40 seconds, third quarter. It is game number 3 of Dari Couples in game. Season 1, people records.
Oh!
Rising by Faisal Abidin is a foul
Red
number
left, 41 all.
18, Matthew Catarene. First personal foul, Matthew Catarene. First two foul rebels. Those intros coming from Faisal Abidin. First goal. Short. Second goal, Faisal Abidin.
Nice one.
Leonard Ball. 1 play. Then seconds to shoot, Donnie Miranda. Will pasok kay Dominic Miranda, under goal. Five minutes, 49 seconds, third quarter. Benedict Miranda to Kyle Pena. Kyle Carson Pagdakaran. Kyle Pena, one person. Blocked by Santorio. By Salalini. Brad Z.
Tumunog yan ah. Tumunog.
And sportsman foul. Number 6, Benedict Tirado.
Tumunog yun.
Benedict Tirado, third personal foul.
Ang lakas nun.
Okay, game lang tayo. Hindi naman sinasadya. Yun lang ay out-balance defense lang. That is an out-balance defense. Not intentional. Pero siya, may paisa na liliit. No basket.
Yeah! Nakakagulat na. Nakakagulat yung volleyball sa labas.
Technical foul by Alvin. Oops, that's free throw violation.
Ah, okay.
Okay, Centers basketball.
Oh, isa lang yata pag US. Isa lang yan.
14
Tapos ball
seconds.
possession.
1.3 Centers.
Ewan ko, isa lang. Baka free throw violation na eh.
Five sa lalilis.
Oh!
Ryan Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Johnny Miranda. Ball taken by Faisal Lalibri. Faisal Lalibri. Mandatory substitution. That's gravity violation. Mandatory substitution. Kyle Pena. Take that shot. Short. Rebound by Soccer Qualo. Simon Reyes. Simon Reyes. Bucket foul. Foul number 3. Faisal Layudin. Faisal Layudin, fourth personal foul. Substitution. Lucius Garcia for Faisal Layudin. Faisal Layudin is in foul trouble. First throw, Siren Reyes. Ball is in. Counting the lead to 3, 47-44. second row, Siren Reyes. Siren Reyes, starting the lead to 2:47:45, 4 minutes 19 seconds, third quarter. Lucian Garcia, starting the play. Crossing the shoes after Lucian Garcia, the second quarter, 10 seconds to shoot. Second quarter for the 2 minutes 8 seconds, second quarter. Increasing the lead back and forth, 49:45. Benedict Tirado, Siren Reyes, pull up 2. Strong, recovered by Siren Reyes in the try. 43, starting the lead to 2, 49:47. Lucian Garcia, pull up 2, short, rebound by Joey Garcia. Valencia, good for the open one line shot, rebound by Siren Reyes, chance direction, drives in, using the ball.
Ay, sinibantay nun.
16 back at the game, 49 minutes, 15 seconds, third quarter. Soccer Equario, controlling the ball. Waiting for the screen, Soccer Equario. Lucian Garcia, pull up 2. Lucian Garcia. Yung mga tao mo sa kaliwa, kung hindi na makumport, Siren Reyes. Opposite interception, but recovered by Jared Tirado. Last touch. Lucian Garcia controlling the ball, right in. Pull up.
Ay!
Offline. Coming on to rebound. Take on the front warrior. 5 seconds to shoot. Protected by Jared Tirado. Siren Reyes.
Tama!
Benedict Tirado.
Oh!
A blocking foul. Another Lucian Garcia. Third personal foul, Lucian Garcia. 2.8 seconds, 2 minutes 7 seconds. First row,
Kailangan, bawi.
Bonus hit, bakit ang ituan, 21-50. Second row, Benedict Tirado. That's free from violation, sanitation. Matching the turning for Jared Tirado. 2 minutes, 7 seconds, third quarter, 1.8 seconds. Sacuario. Lucian Garcia. Calling for a play. Lucian, side step, pull up. Stop. Protected by Lucian. Siren Reyes, side in. There is a missing foul.
Ay, Yan?
Number 20, Romina 2. Personal Siren Reyes. Goal city. Well,
Yes. Ay, lang yan, bawi.
second row, Siren Reyes. Siren Reyes. Jared Tirado for Benedict Tirado. 1.8 seconds, 1 minute 41 seconds, third quarter. Lucian Garcia. Second the play. Goes up. Soccer Equario. Back to Lucian Garcia. Pull up.
Ayan na!
Increasing the lead to 3, 5-2. Siren Reyes, side step.
Nice, nice, nice!
Rebound by 5 seconds. Speed. Mula. 57-52. 55 seconds. Third quarter. Noche Patarnay to Kyle Peña. Kyle Peña, time soon. Almost. Kyle Peña. Silent Reyes. Kulang 3.
Maning.
Okay, Johnny Miranda, opposing foul.
Ha?
Opposing foul. Johnny Miranda. Johnny Miranda, 4 personal
Hala,
foul.
apat na rin.
16 seconds, third quarter. Shot clock is off.
Wala siya.
5
Spray. Wala siyang lipad. Ay, post yan.
5 seconds to shoot. And the third quarter,
57-52. 5-point lead ang Centaur. End of third quarter.
Yung mga nakashoot na ba, walang palis na. Dito, palis na ba nakashoot na ba?
Jacob. Si Jacob.
Yung mga hindi pa nakashoot, masyadong malayo lang sa 3-point line ng 3-point line. Masyadong malayo yan, baka di tayo matapos.
Wow! Kuya, picture. Picture ka muna doon. Pa-picture ka doon.
Congratulations, Kaylen Catarine.
Binawi siya. Lucas, ikaw na naman. Shoot! Ay!
Bigas yan. Gyros lang sa mana.
Shoot! Ah. Ay, si Jacob.
Tapos ka na nakakuha ka ng bigas. Umalis na dyan, Jacob. Ay, sana na
Ay, sayang.
sila rin kasi ano.
Ay,
Kung lang din.
shoot! Ay, kulang pa.
Sila nakashoot na kilip.
Isang beses lang.
Ba't nakadalawa na sa akin?
Dahil rin sa mana.
Wala si Harot. Harot yan eh, harot.
Ito, nakashot na to si Ivar.
George.
May nakakuha na rin yun eh.
Tapos na.
Ang ulit talaga ni
Tapos yung dalawang yan.
Sir Casiano.
Shot! Woo! Asher! Pa-picture ka muna. Kasi naman yung photographer na natulog. Shot!
Ayan, Diego, pares mo sa bigas.
Para sa bigas. Ah! Magaling talaga siya. Magaling talaga siya. Ulam na lang. Ulam na lang.
Pwede ka naman.
Okay na. Oo.
Ang dami mo matika. Nung Sabado, dami mo rin ginakot.
Ulam na lang ang ulam.
Okay, and time for quarter. Regulation time is 2 minutes. Minimum play time per player is 4 minutes. Dragons Basketball, 5-point lead Centaurs. Maraming salamat sa ating shootout sponsor, Mr. and Mrs. Kasumbar.
Basta Sakit ng ano ni
At
Pierre.
kung Saturday,
Pierre? Sakit?
Black Samara, ang ating mga golden
Parang naamoy ko nag-spray. Spray ba? May spray sila to?
Jim Miranda, John Reyes, Tres Mega, Benny Tirado, Reyes Ramirez Malupay, Jim Long,
Nice.
Boys, Garrett Terada, first points sa the first quarter.
First 2 points.
Crossing the lead to 3, 57-54. And Kenny Acosta, second, Kenny Acosta. Finally, 3-point line, short. Nice assist by David Tirado. Patrick McDonald, back in the left one, 57-56. And look at the next 20 seconds. Wala na kung lang mga substitution, pero ang bawat players, bonus playtime. 10 seconds to shoot. Right to baseline.
Ay, malakas! Papa!
Using the ball, 6 dribble. 58-56. Tied by 1. Tyson and the lead. Behind the back dribble, pull out baseline. So, rebound by Justin Miranda. Side Reyes, pull up 3. No basket, rebound.
Rino! Ay! Wala! Get the ball!
In 1 minute, 21 seconds lang ang nakalipas sa fourth quarter. Lumabang na ang Dragons ng Tangkong.
Score, 60-57.
6-0 run by Dragons. Right? 8-0 run by Dragons.
8-0.
Okay, bawi si Tors. Medyo nagulat na sila magpasok ng fourth quarter. Babawi ang ina ng si Tors. Okay, back to the moment, fourth quarter, 10 minutes, 39 seconds, 3-3, Dragons. Senators basketball. Faisal Ali. First of the dribble. To Carsten, nagdaan ang 3-point line. Strong, rebound by Jared Miranda. Simon Reyes, nice step, pull up. Short, rebound. To Faisal Ali. Faisal Ali takes the mission.
Nice!
Fourth quarter. Benedict Tirado, the three-point especially. Benedict Tirado. So Simon Reyes pull up 2. Online. Ball taken by Manu. Patrick at the ring. 3-point line. Short. Rebound by Jared Miranda. 10 seconds to shoot. Again, pasok at the ring. Three-point line. Strong rebound by Zachary Cuadro. There's a foul.
7-point lead. 66-59.
Who's going? Number 9, Simon Reyes. First personal foul, Simon Reyes. First from Zachary Cuadro. Go basket. Second throw. In and out. Rebound by Matthew Tatarik. Almost. There's a tossing foul. Number 30. Drew Leon. First personal foul. Leon. No free throws coming for Sarah Reyes. Ball is in for the first foul. Second throw. Short. 8-1 Dragons. 7:59. 8 minutes, 25 seconds. Final quarter.
Ay!
Wala pa. 18 seconds pa. 18 seconds pa. 18 seconds pa. Wala pa. 18 seconds. Sabi ng Mario, 3-5. Shot. Rebound by Zero Antigo. Marco Pagani. Paisang alipin. Floater. Strong rebound by Yuma. Blocked by Zero Reyes. Zero Antigo. The Marco Pagani. There's a missing foul. Number 10, Karsten Mandangana. Substitution, second personal foul, Karsten Mandangana. 7 minutes, 51 seconds, final quarter. Oh, walang time out na. Walang time out na. Substitution lang yan. To Reyes. Dari Miranda, back to Reyes. 5 seconds to shoot. Reyes airborne. 34 seconds, violation. Paisa lalu. Crossover, spin, pull up, shooter.
Hey! Asa?
8-3 Dragons, 67-59.
Defense! Defense! Pasa! Pasa!
Dragons, 7 minutes, 5 seconds, final quarter.
Lead.
Don't die,
15 yan.
FIBA Junior Season 1.
Paunahin mo na palang magbakasyon.
Sarah Reyes! Grand Senior to the ball, conference and presentation.
Score! Score! Nice one! Baba! 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 Defense! 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 Ay!
Final quarter.
Defense! Defense! Nice one!
Center basketball. 5 minutes, 35 seconds, final quarter.
Baba! Dali! Baba mo lang! Yan. Siyempre.
Change direction, baseline. Saturday quarter.
Sige, tatlo yan.
Saturday quarter.
Ah!
Over the position,
Tatlo yan, tatlo.
5 seconds, shot clock. Substitution. Substitution. 5 seconds to shoot. Peña for the goal. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Lucien Garcia, baseline 3. Almost rebounded by Salamini. By Salamini goes up.
Nice!
2 points by Salamini.
Baba!
8 to 4. 69-65.
Defense! Defense!
Okay, stop tayo. 5 minutes.
Defense! Ay! Hawak! Nice! Defense! Ay! Nice! Nice one! Ay. Bayad po ako ni Tian, pasensya na. Bayad po ako ni Lucian. Binayaran po ako ni Lucian. Bayad po ako, sorry. Nilibre ako ni Lucian sa motis.
Walang bumibitaw ang laban. 2 point lead lang ng Dragons.
Inarkila po ako ni Lucian. Ay, konti na lang.
Okay, Centers basketball. Guayo. Faisal Lahiri. Lucien Garcia. Faisal Lahiri.
Pensa, maganda. Ayan na! Ay!
Likod, likod.
Ay! Sure pass! Nak! Defense! Defense! Ay! Defense, defense!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Oh! Nice, D! Ba yung buzzer ng buzzer? Wait daw! Wait! Bakit?
Okay, okay. Go, back. 3
Back. Ang gulo ni Rocky.
Okay, 3 minutes, 25 seconds, final quarter, 69-67, 2 point lead. Dragons, Faisal Lahiri, baseline, pull up, in and out.
Nice!
Last touchdown, Miranda, same ball.
Score.
13 seconds to shoot. Lucien Garcia. Pull up,
Ay! Lumabali ka ba?
spin, pull up.
Deadlock! 69 all. 3 minutes ng fourth quarter. Defense! 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 Ay! Sayang.
Light ball. clock is 11 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot.
Defense! 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 Ay! Ah! Ay! Defense! 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 Sorry, maingay ang camera woman. Na-excite ang camera woman.
One timeout left.
Na-excite lang po, pasensya na.
3 minutes 7 seconds.
Maingay na.
Lamang na po ang Centaurs. Ang dalawa.
Pasensya na po sa mga nanonood ng live. Nadadala ang camera woman.
At 3 minutes. Lamang na po ang Centaurs. Babawin niya ang Dragons. Centaurs basketball. 14 seconds to shoot. Sakoyo. 5 seconds to shoot.
Tira! Ay! Sayang baba! Casey, baba! Baba! Defense! Defense! Ay! 71 all. Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Defense!
There's a foul. Number 23, Zachary Cuario. Second personal foul, Zachary Cuario. 2 minutes, 31 seconds, 71 all. Mukhang magandang laban, gagawin natin 6 quarters.
Init ka.
Dahan-dahan lang kayo, may 2 quarter pa. Natitira.
Dalawa.
Okay, relax players, relax. Go to the bench, players, all players to the bench. Two minutes, 31 seconds, final quarter. 71. Oh, good luck at 71. Oh, pag hindi na kaya, itutuloy natin sa Miyerkules.
Grabe naman.
Pero pag 2 minutes 31 seconds, sumusunod, sa Miyerkules na natin ituloy yung 2 minutes 31 seconds. Seconds and left. Dragons basketball. Involving Siren Reyes, looking for their base to Kyle Payton. Kyle Payton. 10 seconds to shoot. Siren Reyes, drive shoot, pull up, pushing the ball, shot, hold up by Zachary Cuario, taking time. Carlson pa kanan, dahil sa Cuario, to Faisal Alibid. Faisal Alibid, crossover, grab to...
Dalawa lang yan. Ay! Sayang! 73-71. 1 minute, 51 seconds.
1 minute, 51 seconds, final quarter, Dragons by 2. Two meters coming for Faisal Alibid. First goal.
Defense! Defense!
Second quarter.
Ay, okay lang. 1 minute.
Running for penalties and goal. First goal.
Oh!
Second throw, Siren Reyes.
Ay!
Carsten Pandanganan.
Penalty!
Third personal foul, Carsten Pandanganan. Penalty. Two free throws coming from Benedict Tirado. 1 minute 16 seconds, 1 point to Dragons. First throw, Benedict Tirado. Using the block, 1 point. Warrior 10 personal foul. Ingat po tayo sa free throw violation. This is crucial free throws. Ingat po tayo sa free throw violation. Second throw is coming up by William Collection.
Dalawa lang yan, coach. Dalawa lang. Nice! Defense! Defense! Ano ba? Coach! Coach mo yan! Ay! Defense! Defense! Takbo! Ay! Ay!
Timeout Sitters. 16 seconds.
Ayun na kaya, Tol?
16 seconds. 2 point lead Dragons. 70 seconds.
Walang yan.
Shot lang ito.
16 seconds na lang. Dalawa ang lamang ng Dragon. Galingan niyo, Sian! Sian! Joke lang. Love ko yan si Sian.
Dragons. On second.
Love ko si Sian.
Okay. Okay, upo lang tayo. 16 seconds. And shot now.
Kaya pa nga eh, nagtawa ka na kayo. Defense! Defense! Nag-time out! Nag-time out! Nag-time out!
Time out.
Nag-time out sila. Si, ano, Kenneth. Nag-time out sila.
77, this is take up number 12. 8 seconds.
Nag-time out siya eh. Bago pa tumawid na gano'n, nagka-time out. $77 all. Bola ng Dragons. 8 minutes. Ay, 8 minutes. 8 seconds pala. 8 seconds. Supply overtime.
Siyempre tayo ng isang oras ng hagel para sa pagkakain sa play. Magtatawag muna tayo ng isang sa mga nag-aaral kayo. Meron kayong isang oras na kader.
Wala, penalty sila siya. Penalty sila. Siyan. Hindi. Wala namang foul.
So,
Time out.
sisters is under penalty situation. Paalala lang sisters, penalty
Sa
kayo ha.
live. Pag
Ang
mga
dragon
live,
sa
overtime.
2-10 fouls pa lang. O, paalala lang
Pero
sisters,
mahaba pa
baka
yan.
kayo mawala sa focus. Penalty na kayo,
Malaglag na
sisters.
ako dito.
Baka masisilip na kami. Sabihin nyo, hindi namin sinabi mag-penalty kayo.
Penalty sila. Huwag kayong papaw. Tamang ano lang. Tamang depensa. Hindi na yung foul ni foul.
Sino kaya ang
Kaya pala hindi na siya
sa
makamove.
Season 1 FIBA Junior Championship Trophy? Grabe na sila, LC Stars. LC Stars ang natitira. Stars, the under penalty.
Defense! 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 Ay! Wala na! Wala na! Wala nang oras! Wala na! Wala nang oras! Ang tagal kasi nilang pagbasa.
Wala nang oras.
Mumula na dun eh.
Umula na.
Okay. Decision. Committee ang referee. Nasa kanal pa ni Siren Reyes ang bola. Hindi po siya nakahanap ng buzzer na.
Overtime! Overtime! Yan na ang apat dito.
Yan ang champion.
Yun nga lang. Apat yung dalawang malaki.
Nag-buzzer na po.
Dito rin, marami rin apat.
Kita sa
Hindi,
referee.
si ano?
Yan.
Yan.
Sige, gumawa kayo ng tubig. Okay, 5 minutes.
21 minutes.
Dahil 5 minutes na ito, kailangan
2 minutes na lang.
tayo ng chance sa goal. Now, passes. Nasa baba ng Masisari, mahawak-hawak ang bola, bago yung mga, mag-passes na po tayo. Kaya decision yan, position yan, walang pinapanilan. Kita-kita po ang lahat. Hawak-hawak ang bola bago mag-passes, bago umangat si Simon Reyes. Okay, upo na tayo. 5 minutes extension.
Uy, kaya pa? Ah, blaster niya. Kailangan pa lang ano siya dito. Para
Okay,
hindi
passes
umangat.
na para walang mundo. Passes. Take time. Overtime. Faisal Nabili. Christian Garcia.
Nice! Defense! 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 Naman si Dalay ko. Nice! Defense lang, defense. Defense! 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 Push, 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 push!
16 seconds. Somebody trying to control the ball. Christian Garcia. Pure foul.
Nice!
Faisal Nabili. Sakwayo.
Ah! Defense! Kira. Ay! Nice, Marcel. Nice, nice. Oh, honestly, honestly. Defense! Oh, relax, relax. Apat lamang. Dahan-dahan lang.
Faisal Alili. 10 seconds to shoot. Faisal Alili, speed, pull up. Shot, pull up by Sarah Cruz.
Ay! Katalikod! Katalikod! Ay!
Okay, pinupuligan na po tayo. Bakit kasi ayaw ng pa-overtime pa?
Sinisi.
Kailangan ng sakit.
Konti na lang, konti, konti. Kaya pa yan. Go, Lucian.
Saksi daw siya.
Bayad po ako ni Lucian.
Kaya.
Wala kaya nila yan.
Okay, 2 minutes, 52 seconds, 4 points in Sindor. Dragons,
Defense! Defense!
Oh my God!
Isa lang!
napakaganda ng laban. Faisal Alili.
52.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ay, malakas! Wak, malakas. Isa, isa.
Dragons basketball.
Defense, defense! 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 Ay!
Faisal Alili.
Defense! Ay! Ay!
Looking foul, number 8, Lucian Garcia.
Ilan na?
Lucian Garcia, 4 personal
Apat.
foul.
Masakit yata, hindi ba sumasakit? Ayan, no?
Stopping for
Oh,
guys.
ayan, no? Kapahiram dapat na. Pati katawan.
First place.
Pati katawan. Siyan, magpapahit ka.
Once again, Kyle Peña got the lead to 2, 1 minute, 55 seconds.
86-84, lamang ang dark. 1 minute 46 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ay! Hello! Hindi na makano si Sian. Sian, ano? Sian!
Tyler Reyes, Tyler.
Ay! Push!
1-on-1, side step, second round. Valencia.
Sila. Sila.
30 seconds to shoot. Sayang ready. Sayang Reyes para strong. And now, set up the ball. 20 seconds.
Nice, nice, Ben.
15 seconds. Foul. Number 14, Valencia. Penalty. Penalty.
Penalty.
Rebounds sa ball. Penalty tayo. Sa overtime, rebounds ng penalty.
Okay.
Sayang Reyes na wala at 2 free throws. First love, all is good. And we will be five. 93-88. 30 seconds. Marami pa ang oras yan. Bago ka. Tabi. Mahabang pa yan. 20 seconds pa yan. Second throw. No basket. Stop. Harmony.
Defense!
Okay, 5 seconds. Travels. 4 personal fouls. Sa Julio. Hoy, Dalawa lang yan, 5 seconds pa. Dalawa lang yan, 5 seconds. Hindi, kapila. Hindi kayo. Dalawa pa.
Ay, nako. Ang ganda na laro.
Five seconds left, 5 seconds. 2-point lead Janos. 2 free throws coming for Matthew Gatarino. Mahaba pa yan. Kailangan may pasok na isa for Five seconds, mahaba pa yan. Pag hindi pumasok yan, may chance pa. Tapusin mo, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Tatlo po ang best player natin sa tier number 3. Mateo Catanero. Kyle Penny. And Simon Season 1 champion. And congratulations also Santon. First runner-up. Viva Juniors Season 1. And congratulations also second runner-up. Second runner-up. Okay, awarded tayo.
Ikakat ko na yung live. Ikakat ko na yung live.
Okay lang yun, at least naka...
Nice game, nice. Ito. Good job.
Okay lang yun,
Good job.
Kaya naman yung tama na ka.
Ano yun mo lang sino?
Awarded ka, awarded.
Centaur, sila ka. Magkano tayo?
Sige na nga, lalapit na nga. Joke. Centaurs. Wow! Yan o, JC yun. Congrats, JC.
Okay. Finals defensive.
Defensive. Ay, ang laki ng namin yan. Defensive.
Ay, yung kanina ano yun?
Hindi ko alam. Yung defensive. Mas defensive. Mythical. Mythical! Mythical five. Jared Miranda. Marami yan. Marami ba yan? Sino isa? Ay, si Jared! Sino isa? Sige lang dyan. Ito ako.
Wala ko kaya na.
Trendsetter ka.
Congratulations sa ating mga individual awardees sa taong Pinoy of Praise and Rock, Kumakita Junior Season 1, Phil Sinto.
Easy. Kayo, tawag kayo lahat. Kayo. Ay! Kayo. Diyan. Diyan. Lahat kayo. Yan po yung coach ng Centers. Shout out, May. Sa gitna.
Congratulations, Phil Sinto. And now, our second team, Viva Junior Season 1, Team Dragon.
Wow, foreigner! Hindi na nakilala. Daddy, may foreigner tayo. Hindi ka nakilala. Tapos na ba? Pwede ka nang patayin? This is Jasmine Uzi signing off. Viva Junior.